Alright, so here with me today I've got our smallest fog cannon in our fog cannon range. It's our little M20. In terms of size and value, this thing really packs a punch. On the front here we've got 12.3mm nozzles. This is going to use about 5 litres a minute, so pretty economical compared to our bigger units, but it'll still throw mist for like 15 to 20 metres. On mist cannon, obviously being on wheels, you can move it around, place it where you need it. When we switch it on, you can hear that it's actually not too loud of a unit. This thing only runs at about 83 decibels, so much quieter than our bigger industrial fog cannons. So these cannons are super simple. One of our main features here is the manual tilt, so you just pull out a pin and you can change the angle at which you're shooting at the mist. You can point it up like that, or even point it down onto your sight. Simple, it's just a 15 amp plug and a switch over here. Pop that one on, she'll fire up. So the carcass on this is also 316 stainless steel, which makes it suitable for any environment. So as mentioned before, these cannons are suitable for about 15 to 20 metres of throw, which is pretty significant for the size and the volume that this thing puts out.